And it has started.
Oh, okay. Hey everybody, Spidey Librarian here, and today I'm coming at you with a quick unboxing. My birthday was very recently, and so I would like to give a quick shout out to a couple of friends who got me some Funko Pops for my collection. My friend Deidre got the Miles Morales Into the Spider-Verse Funko Pop for me, which was awesome because I was just about to order that when I saw that she'd gotten it for me. And then my friend John gave me an Amazon gift card, and I used that to order some Funko Pops. And we're going to go ahead and open them up and see what I got. I am very pleased to say that as a Spidey collector, my Funko Pop collection has got a lot more Miles Morales in it now. I've already had one. It's like kind of a plain clothes version of Miles from the Spider-Man PS4 game. But now, with this one, and then another one that I just ordered, I have Miles in his costume. So let's see what we got. Okay, so the first one that we've got is Spider-Man Noir. And he is very well protected and a whole bunch of bubble wrap. So there we go. So we got Spider-Man Noir, Nicolas Cage's character from the movie. Now, let's see what we've got. This one is going to be Miles with cape, according to the packaging label. Oh. Okay. I gotta say, this is probably my favorite one because I just love the whole I'm Spider-Man, but I've got a cape, so, or a sheet or whatever, and so it's just like intentionally hilarious. And then the final one, we have got Miles Morales, the Ultimate Spider-Man costume. I mean, it's an Into the Spider-Verse costume, but still. So it works out pretty well. So I've gotten, on or around my birthday, I've gotten 3 more Miles Morales Spider-Man Funko Pops. So I am really excited to basically get these added to my collection. We're going to work on the kind of layout of this area, and so we'll get a place where I can display these in addition to all of my other Spider-Man Funko Pops together. It'll be Spidey Shrine 2.0. So, but thank you to Deidre, and thank you to my friend John for the Amazon gift card so that I could purchase all the rest of these. And yeah, so until next time, this is Spidey Librarian signing off.